Oh yes, I welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. I go by the names Koja Walter Omubaluzi. Yes, I'm right here in Uganda. That's where you find me. And it feels good if you support me by clicking that button right there. Subscribe, comment, share. And right now, as you can see the view, this is Karamoja. As you can see behind me, that is Mountain Moroto, the famous Mountain Moroto. As you can see, yes, as you can see right there, it's a very, very, very long mountain right here in Africa, Uganda. It's located in Karamoja. That is right in the district of Moroto. It goes right through Turkana into Kenya when you go behind there. So basically, this mountain connects several districts in Uganda. So you can come and visit it. Meanwhile, we also have Kidepo Valley National Park right in Moroto. So once you feel like you want to spend some money, see some animals, see some mountains, do some hiking, you can come over here in Karamoja, that is in Uganda, that is in Moroto, and then you can be able to do what? To check out the sites, and you'll be able to enjoy as I take you through right here, right now. Well, it's a chilly day. The sun is on and off. As you may see, I get dark, I get light. You can subscribe if you haven't subscribed to support my channel. And thank you for watching for today. Like I said, I've been Koja Walter Omubaluzi, your host, your wonderful host. Thank you, all of you that take your time to watch, take your time to subscribe, to share, to like, comment, all that. Yes, tell your friends to tell their friends friends, that this is the channel, this is the right place, this is the best place to be. Thank you, take care, I love you all. Welcome to Africa.
Koja otuse, koja ai, koja o.
Subscribe to Koja Walter Omubaluzi today, not to miss a thing.
Koja Walter, koja Walter Omubaluzi. Koja Walter.